Hello students, this lecture is about lactobacillus. Lactobacillus is a friendly bacterium which also have some clinical significance. It belongs to a group lactic acid bacteria which are typically found in milk. During their growth, these lactic acid bacteria they ferment the lactose to produce the acids. These acids coagulate and they are responsible for the partial digestion and the coagulation of the milk protein, hence forming the curd. The important bacteria in the lactic acid bacteria are Lactobacillus, Leuconostoc, Pediococcus and Streptococcus. There are some other genera found which are Aerococcus, Alleleucoccus, Carnobacterium, Dolosigranulum, Enterococcus, Globicatella, Lactococcus, Eunococcus, Tetragenococcus, Vagococcus and Vacella. The lactobacillus, it forms the major part of lactic acid bacteria group. These are associated with number of the food and feed products. Lactobacillus causes the acidification of sugar, hence contributes to the unique flavor and texture of the products. For the taxonomy of lactobacillus, it belongs to the kingdom Monera like all the bacteria. The phylum is Firmicutes, class Bacilli, order is Lactobacilliales and the family is Lactobacilliaceae. The important species are Acidophilus, Penetrarum, Delbrueckii, Bulgaricus, Algidus, Amylolyticus, Amylophilo, Buchneri, Tetaniformis, Setae, Colehominis, Colinoidus, Composti and Curai. The classification of this lactobacillus has been recently changed. Now the genus Lactobacillus has about 260 species which differ phylogenetically, ecologically and metabolically. According to this classification, the Lactobacilliaceae family now has 23 genera, out of which today we are going to study about the Lactobacillus genus. The habitat of Lactobacillus, it is widespread, found in variety of ecological niche, a natural habitat of the plants as well as the different food sources, found in the dairy, meat and plant material, also found in the oral cavity, genital and gastrointestinal tract of not only the humans but also the animals. It forms a minor portion of the adult fecal microbiota, 0.01 to 0.6% of total bacterial counts. The infant microbiota has higher number, 10 to power 5 CFU per gram of feces in neonates is that of Lactobacillus, and in the 1 month infants this number is higher, 10 to power 6 to 10 to power 8 CFU per gram of the feces. The bacteria is also called acid loving and it is also a gut friendly bacteria. It rapidly colonizes different mucosal membranes such as oral cavity, intestine and the vagina. In vagina it is known as Toudalens bacillus because of its discoverer. Lactobacillus is found where there are rich carbohydrate sources, for example plants and materials of the plant origin like sewage and fermenting or the spoiled food. Characteristics of Lactobacillus. The organism is gram-positive. It is a rod-shaped bacteria, bacilli. These bacilli, they are arranged in the pairs or in the short chain, and sometimes these are singly arranged. This is showing the gram-positive bacilli which are arranged in the short chains. The organism has low G plus C content. They don't have flagella, so they are non-motile. They don't form the spores. They are non-sporing. Catalase reaction is negative. They are facultative anaerobes or microaerophiles. They are acid tolerant. The organism is homofermentative. They ferment the sugars to form the lactic acid. Other organic acids are formed, but lactic acid is more than 90%. There is no production of the gas. The milk sugar lactose is converted to the glucose and galactose, which are then fermented by the lactase enzyme to form the lactic acid. Regarding the culture of lactobacillus, the organism does not grow on the simple nutritional medium like the nutrient agar. It has specific nutritional requirements, hence it is nutritionally fastidious. It requires rich media to grow, rich source of carbohydrates, amino acids, peptides, fatty acid esters, salts and nucleic acid derivatives should be there. One medium to grow is the tomato juice agar, which has a pH of 5, in which the carbohydrate and peptones tomato juice is added. The selective medium is the MRS broth and agar. MRS is because of the discoverers Deman, Rogosa and Sharp. This medium contains fatty acids, magnesium, pH 6 to 6.5, purines, pyrimidines, vitamins, amino acids. There are salt, sodium acetate, ammonium citrate, which inhibits the growth of the other normal bacterial and the fungal flora. Upon the incubation at 37 degrees Celsius, after 24 hours, large white colonies are found which are either embedded in or they are found on the surface of the MRS agar. Role of lactobacillus in health. In the intestine, the bacteria synthesizes biotin, vitamin B12 and vitamin K. It forms the prominent flora of the vagina. In vagina, there is the carbohydrate glycogen because of the activity of the female hormones, which gets deposited in the vaginal epithelial cells. The lactobacillus, it converts the glycogen to form the lactic acid and hence is responsible for the highly acidic pH of the vagina. It produces hydrogen peroxide, organic acids, certain metabolites which retards the candida albicans and hence inhibits the vaginitis or the vaginal thrush. It is associated with the oral health. It has been seen that it may cause the dental caries, the problem of cavities. It can corrode the surface of the tooth enamel. At the same time, it has been seen that it can also prevent the Streptococcus mutans and hence some strains they can also prevent the dental decay. It is beneficial in defense of periodontal disease such as gingivitis and the periodontitis. They are found as the commensals. The commensal flora, it is causing the inhibition of the pathogenic bacteria by producing antimicrobial substance such as lactic acid, hydrogen peroxide and bacteriocins. It is found as normal flora of the oral cavity, gastrointestinal tract and the female urogenital tract in humans. At the time of birth, this bacteria, they are ingested and then they form the flora of the intestine. As the individual age, this flora and the profile of the lactobacillus changes with time. And moreover, there are changes in different species. Different species, they have different commensal lactobacilli. So, and there is, in the case of the oral cavity, it may inhibit the periodontitis and bacterial vaginosis. There are different applications of lactobacillus. The first one is that it can be used to form the starter culture, for example, in the dairy products like the curd. We all produce the curd in our household in which the starter, which is the lot from the previous curd, is added to the milk which is at a temperature of 40 to 50 degree and then it is allowed to set at the room temperature. After few hours the curd is produced. Then it is also involved in the production of the cheese and fermented milk. The second application is the probiotics. Lactobacillus is used as probiotics. It is available in the market as the small drink popularly known as Yakult. Then there is a mixture which is called Synbiotic, which consists the probiotic, lactobacillus probiotic, mixed with the fibers which could not be digested, which are called prebiotic. They can be used for therapeutic purpose. Then there are the lactobacillus capsules, powders, which are used as the dietary supplements, sometimes used for therapeutic purpose also. The potential therapeutic role is known in number of the anti-inflammatory disease, anti-cancer, and it also boosts the immune system. The bacteriocins is the third application. The bacteriocin niacin A and its natural variant niacin Z are effective against the microbial agents which can cause the food poisoning and spoilage. Hence, they can be used as the preservatives in the food items. They can be used for the preservation of the dairy, egg, vegetable and the meat products. Now, the clinical significance of lactobacillus. Although these are non-pathogenic, but some species they can cause the infections in the humans. Usually these human hosts they are immune suppressed. In the immune suppressed individual, it is seen that it can cause the atopic dermatitis, infective endocarditis, rheumatic vascular disease and septicemia. Lactobacillus casei, Rhamnosus, acidophilus, they are associated with diseases in the immune depressed individual. In the case of the individuals where the septicemia was seen, it was seen that the overall mortality rate was around 30%. In addition to this, there are some strains of lactobacillus which can cause the dental caries. Identification of lactobacillus. The first approach is the gram staining. The gram staining of the sample is done which will show the purple colored gram positive bacteria which are rod in shaped. When these are cultured on the MRS agar medium, then the creamy white transparent colonies which are mucoid and smooth in appearance, these are shown. For the biochemical reaction, the spore formation is negative, catalase is negative, methyl red positive, VP Voges-Prosker test is negative, citrate test is negative, starch hydrolysis is positive. The glucose fermentation test is also positive. For the molecular methods, they can be identified by doing the 16S ribosomal sequencing. For treatment of the infections which are caused by lactobacillus, particularly the endocarditis infection, the strains they are resistant to vancomycin, which are usually used for the gram-positive bacteria. So vancomycin cannot be used, but the combined therapy in which the penicillin is combined with the aminoglycoside, that can be used and it has shown the bactericidal activity. So that is all about the lactobacillus, which is commonly known as a gut-friendly bacterium. Hope this will make you to understand this bacteria properly. Thank you very much.